it is road, I think. Even guys like us need to actually eat, so we are going to a restaurant called the Picasso bar. It's not a Cambodian restaurant, it's a tapas bar. So we wanted some tapas today. We have guard dog, not that big, but maybe it's furious. Also, when in Cambodia, don't be afraid of going down, you know, the unknown path. It's usually maybe not the best roads, but it is a road, I think.
Mama!
Yeah. As long as you get to where you want in one piece, right? Or two pieces, I don't know. This is a 1.1 kilometers ride, and it's $2 from the hotel. I'm guessing it's gonna cost more to get back to the hotel. I've been there like a couple of hours, and I'm already starting to like the town. It's a small but cozy one. Here you have a UFO store. At the old market. This is the old market. This is gonna be visited by us tomorrow. Tomorrow night.
Shopping!
I want one of those chest bags. Hopefully they have it. Looks promising enough. Some street food, banana pancake.
This is my place.
Yeah, it's 100% for the tourists, but looks cool anyway. Night market. Gonna visit that one too. I would say that this looks really promising. I almost say that we maybe needed more time than 3 nights, but I think it's gonna be enough. Hello. We're trying this tonight. As I mentioned, we are trying Picasso bar tonight. Sangria, buy one get one free, all Wednesday night. That's I don't know if that is a good thing or not, but you know, I like sangria. And let's see how the tapas tastes. And the food just came in: feta cheese, some peppers, olives, chorizo, some ham, some bread, and this dipping sauce is from caramelized onions. Nice. All in all, really good food. Chorizo was great, the feta cheese was great, the bread was great, everything was just tapas, and that's what we wanted. Great stuff, recommend this place. And by the way, we're not sponsored, we pay for drinks and food. Huh? Hustle and bustle, some duty-free stuff. I don't know about duty-free stuff in Cambodia. I prefer to get ripped off somewhere else. Seems like we're coming out on a bar street now. I believe I was pretty correct on the pub street part. So, what I'm guessing, if you want to go party, it's that way. Taking a quick look at the night market. Oh, sorry, the old market. But it's still night, so maybe we should call it night market.
Hello, sir.
Hello. No, not yet. Not yet, thank you.
Ồ, ôm lên ngồi điện mọi người. Hello, được. Mapping video. Được.
Of course, Hard Rock Cafe, Angkor, Siem Reap.
Bye bye.